What does Akram mean? From this word is Kareem. Generous. Very generous. This is English translation. But in Arabic, the word Karam, Kareem, and Akram, you know what is the actual meaning of it? What is the ayat? Iqra wa rabbukal. Iqra, read. Wa rabbukal. Now you see, Allah is directly to Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yes, he's Akram for everybody. But now for you, O Prophet, Akram, he's Akram for you. He's generous. Generous is English translation. You know what is the meaning of the Sifat Kareem of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Okay. Okay, come here, Zain. Suppose I give him a Ferrari car to drive and a sniper gun. Am I doing a favor for him or destroying him? I'm destroying him. Right? Agree? You agree with that? I find him holding a gun in his hand. I take it away from him. I destroyed him or did a favor to him? You understood? In Arabic, Akram or Kareem means whatever he gave to you, only that was good for you. Anything less, anything more would have destroyed you. That is the Sifat Kareem of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh Nabi, I am Akram to you. You are the one who will be given everything that I want to give. Nobody else deserves it.